Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Seagate Game Drive M.2 SSD for PS5. Let's see if this sleek SSD is worth your hard-earned cash. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. The Seagate Game Drive M.2 SSD for PS5 is a FireCuda 530 with a standard PS5 compliant heatsink. Today's big question. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, it's essentially a reliable and performant SSD that's tailor-made for your PlayStation 5. Now, what makes this SSD stand out? First up, its high write endurance. While you might not lose sleep over a failed PS5 game drive, it's always reassuring to know that Seagate's got your back with their dedication to reliability. In terms of performance, this bad boy doesn't disappoint. With sequential read and write speeds reaching up to 7,300 megabytes per second and 6,900 megabytes per second respectively, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and smooth gameplay. But let's talk about that build quality. The game drive comes equipped with a PS5 compliant heatsink, ensuring that your SSD stays cool even during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, with a 5-year warranty and generous TBW, you can rest easy knowing that your investment is protected. Now, you might be wondering how the game drive stacks up against the competition. Well, in a market filled with options, the game drive holds its own with its good sustained performance and reliable design. So, here's the bottom line. If you're in the market for a no-fuss SSD that delivers on performance and reliability, the Seagate Game Drive M.2 SSD for PS5 is worth considering. It may not be the flashiest option out there, but it gets the job done, and that's what matters most. And there you have it, folks. That's our take on the Seagate Game Drive M.2 SSD for PS5. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. Until next time, happy gaming!